let me show you something really exciting. So, this is the KnowHow Academy Instagram page, and this looks quite informative, right? So, let's click on one of the posts. Okay, so this has some kind of engagement. Nice. Now, let's go to the Facebook page of KnowHow Academy. Okay, so this has also some kind of post on a regular basis. That's quite nice. But wait, there is more. Did you know that KnowHow Academy has also run Meta ads or Facebook ads? So let's see that as well. So as you can see, ads on Facebook feed, ads on Instagram feed, ads on Instagram stories, ads on Instagram Explore, and so many placements. Right now, imagine this, you have a huge team of say 10,000 people working for your business. Now, you are not just running one ad, you are managing maybe 50 or hundreds, maybe even more than that simultaneously. So that's where things get tricky. Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So obviously you need a team to handle all these things, from Instagram page to Facebook page, from commenting on a post to engaging with the people, or maybe running a Facebook or Meta ads, right? Okay, so here the major two problems arises. Now the first thing, you cannot handle every single account by going to each account. The second problem is, and if you are allocating to the people, you can't just share your account credentials with anyone, right? It's risky and unorganized. So here is the solution: Meta Business Suite or a Meta Business Manager. So in today's video, we will be learning number one, what is Meta Business Suite or Meta Business Manager? Number two, why should you use Meta Business Suite? Number three, how to create Meta Business Suite. Number four, how to use Meta Business Suite. So let's understand these, typical terms in a very simple way. Okay, so I have created one simple chart for you guys. So basically, for running an ads, we need Facebook profile and Facebook page. But of course, we have something called Facebook group as well, but it's not required for ads. Okay. Now, all these three things I have already discussed, and also told you that how to create these three things on Facebook. You can check out that video as well. And apart from that, as you can see that I have written here personal ad after the Facebook page. Yes, because you are able to run ads once you have your Facebook page. But I have not discussed this yet. We will, but before that, let's go to the second chart. Then you will be able to understand the Meta Business Suite. Okay, so here we are. This simple chart for understanding the Meta Business Suite or Meta Business Manager. So first thing first, Meta Business Suite and Meta Business Manager sounds like two different things, right? But here is the truth that they are basically the same thing, okay? So think of it this way, whether you call it a suite or manager, just remember the word business. That's what really matters, because both tools designed to manage your business on Meta platforms like Facebook and Instagram in one place. Okay, so now let's understand that what is exactly Meta Business Suite or Meta Business Manager. So basically, it's like a control center for all your business on Meta. So imagine you're having one dashboard where you can manage your Facebook page, Instagram accounts, and maybe you can run your ads. And also you can see your insights and performance matrices in one place. So even work with the team by giving them access to specific tasks, as I already mentioned in the introduction, right? So basically, it's a one-stop shop for all your business activities on Meta platforms. So first of all, we will go through this chart once, then we will move ahead with our next topic. So as you can see here, once you are on the Meta Suite business or Meta Suite manager, you create your business account. Simple. Here we are not talking about the Facebook page. Here we are not talking about the Insta page, right? Currently we are talking about the Meta Business Suite, where we will be managing all these things. So here you have the business account. Then once you create this account, you have so many things to do in that. Now, what are those things? So you have the access to manage your assets. Now, what is assets? So For us, for any business, the asset in Meta Business Suite is your Instagram page, is your Facebook page, is your ad account. So here we have the business ad account. Now, so as you can see here, I have written here personal ad. Basically, it's a personal ad account. And here I have written business ad account. Well, you will get to know the difference between these two. You don't need to confuse. I'm just making sure that you know these two terms are there in this field, okay? Then the first, I already tell you that you will be able to manage your assets. You know what are assets, right? Then you will be able to create your business ad account after you create the business account on Meta Business Suite. Now, from that business ad account, what you will be able to access? You will be able to access your ads manager. Ads Manager is also called Facebook Ads Manager, is also called Meta Ads Manager. So these, some similar terms are there, but you have to remember these all things are, related to ads are same. Now the next thing you will be able to handle is assigning the roles. As I already mentioned that if you have to give the control, if you want any other person to manage your account, then you will be giving the access to particular person, right? But of course, you will not be sharing the credential, the whole credential of your account, right? What you will be doing, you will be assigning the roles. Suppose you want some other person who is trustworthy and you want to give or assign the role of admin, meaning that person can handle everything, right? What you can do, the same that person can also do. Now, the role of maybe editors and many other roles are there. We will definitely see. Now, the other thing you can do is the dashboard view, meaning whatever you are doing on your Instagram, your Facebook, or maybe ads, you can see the analytics of everything. So I hope now you have got the clearance or the understanding of the term like, Meta Business Suite, Ads Manager, or Facebook Ads Manager. You can actually refer this chart. This is really very clear for the understanding. And of course, you can refer this for your understanding, right? Now, coming to the second point of our video, that why should you use Meta Business Suite? Now, I think you have got your answer for this question already. So let's discuss quickly. Number one, efficiency. Definitely you can manage everything, as I already mentioned, page, ads, and performance without jumping different tools. Number two, collaboration. Again, if you have a team, you can assign roles like admin, editor, or analyst, so everyone can focus on their specific task. Then number three, ad management made easy. It connects directly to your ad account, making it simple to create and track ads for Facebook and Instagram. And number five, insights at your fingertips, literally, because you can get detailed analytics so you know what's working and what's not. And here is the best part, that it's totally free. If you are a beginner, then definitely this question might come to your mind, but let me tell you, it's free. So with this, coming to the third thing of our video, which is very important, that is how to create Meta Business Suite or Meta Business Manager. So let me tell you step by step. So first you need to go to the business.facebook.com/overview. Let's jump into that. Okay, so simply you have to remember, whenever you have to go to Meta Business Suite, it's quite confusing because there are so many like platforms you need to navigate when you log in into that. So remember, this is the thing you have to write when you have to access the Meta Business Suite. So I'll click on that. Okay, now I will click here, Business Facebook. Okay. So as you can see here, it is saying here, get started with the business tool from Meta. Now, what you can do here, just quickly have a tour. So you can navigate to the tools like Business Suite, Business Manager, and Ads Manager. Again, I've already told you that once you get this tool access, you will be able to manage everything, right? Now, save time by accessing everything that you need to manage your business. See here, it's written Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, all in one place. Now, connect with people in a single inbox. Yes, you can, connect with people who are in your Instagram and who all are in your Facebook as well. Then of course you can have the insights as well. Okay, so if you have to create a new account, then as I already mentioned, then you have to have your Facebook account. Then if I'll click here, it is asking me to create the new Facebook account. So I have my Facebook account, so I will log in with Facebook. Okay, now it is asking me to log in. So let me quickly log in it here. So it's asking me for the WhatsApp code. So let me quickly enter that. Okay, so I have logged in and here I am on my Meta Business Suite account. Okay, so I have already done here some basic setting here. So before getting confused, just wait and I will make you go through each and every options here, which is really important for you at this point. So with this, now you have created your Meta Business Suite account. And now with this, coming to the fourth point of our video, that is how to use Meta Business Suite or Meta Business Manager. Now let's quickly go through that as well. So first of all, you will connect your asset, right? So let me tell you quickly what all you can do. Then we will jump to the screen and we will see how you can do all these things and from where. So first thing, you can connect your assets. Now you can add your Facebook page and Instagram account. So everything in one place. And then second you can do is set up your ad account. This is where you will run and manage your all account, and then you will be having a dashboard where you will be able to check out the sections like posts, ad inside to see how your content is performing. And then the next thing we would be doing is assigning the roles. Then of course, if you're working with team, you have to do this like ad management, analytics and comment moderation, and all while keeping sensitive data private. Then at the end, you will be organized by using the calendar to plan and schedule posts across both Facebook and Instagram. So let's quickly jump into the screen and see all these points step by step. First, I ask you to connect your asset. Now, what is that? So your asset is Facebook page and your Instagram page, right? So now, first of all, let me quickly go through these, options. This is home, of course, it's very normal. Notification, then here you will have some, access to your ad related thing directly. Then you have your inbox, meaning you will be able to connect with your audience in one place, in one inbox. So as you can see, I'm able to see message from Instagram and Instagram comments as well. So you can see you can manage everything from this single inbox. Now let's move ahead. So this is the content which you have published, which you have scheduled. You have all things at one place, which you have maybe draft as well now. So this is the option for these stories. So you can add the stories from here as well if you want. So this is asking for A/B testing, and you can go ahead and look into this as well. Then you have mentions and tags. Then you have reels as well. Let me quickly wrote this. Yeah, so these are the things where you will get mentioned, so you can see that as well. Then coming to the planner thing, so from there you can organize your post. This was the last point which I have told you, that you can organize everything like Facebook post and your Instagram post from here itself. Then we have the ad thing here, we will talk about this later. Then we have the insights and other tools as well at different level, like audience level, analytics level, then management level, then advertise. There is a whole section of managing the advertisement things. Then if you are having anything digital products or any kind of service you are providing, then you have those option here as well. If you go to settings, you will get the options. So here is our basically business portfolio, meaning you have your all the assets in your portfolio. Okay, so first thing first, you can see here, I will be going step by step quickly. So this is my business portfolio now. Here you have to enter your all the names, address and your business phone number you have. And if you have anything website, you have to add all these things. And this is the portfolio ID which you have. If someone is asking you for the business portfolio ID, you have to give this one. Okay, so this is your ID, this is your business details you have to enter here. Now here it is showing that ad account creation limit is 1. You can create only one ad account from this Meta Business Suite. Now you have to on the two-factor authentication. It's very important for the safety purpose, and this is the name and the basic information. Now let's move to the next thing, that is the user. So in people section, you will be having all the people who is having the access for this particular account. So these two people are there. Now if we come to the next, partners, so currently we have no partners here in this account. Then we have system user. This is usually for the if someone is having the app or something like that as a product, then this particular thing is useful in that case. Okay, now let me come to the people section again. Now here you can see I have to enter the email address. Let me quickly write one email address and let's see. So it's asking me if you want to give the temporary access. Okay, now I will click on next. Then it is asking me for the other thing, that is if you have app or anything like, then you have to manage from here. And then if you want to give that person the full access, then you can give it from here. Now it is asking me to other options. So this is the option where the person can, if you are providing the access, then the person can access the financial information for that particular business portfolio. For example, transaction, invoice, accounts spent, and payment methods and all, right? If I want that person to have the basic, right now let's understand what is there in the basic things. So they can only work on pages, Instagram accounts, or other business assets that you assign to them. Okay, so it's under your control now. So I am giving the partial access only. I'm not selecting any other thing. So I'll be clicking on next. Then here are the business assets. So these assets we will learn to connect how to do this. But since these two assets, meaning my Facebook page and account, so these two things I can assign to that person. So I will click the Facebook page. I'm not able to select my Instagram account because I have not logged in it yet. So in short, you get it. If I log in it, it'll show the option here and I will just click it. Okay, now confirm the selection. Now it is again asking me the other option to give the access for. I want to give the partial access where he will be able to manage content, message, community activities, ads, insights, right? So these things he or she will be able to manage. Now I will click on next. And this is the review thing. So I am giving the access to this particular person. Now what are the access? I am giving the access for the Facebook page. Now send the invitation. If the person will accept the invitation, and then he or she will be able to manage your page. So currently I am just closing it. This was just for your example. Now let's move on to the next portion, that is the account. So here we have the page. So these are all assets. Okay, we have pages, we have ad accounts, we have business assets group. So if you have any groups and all, you can add here. Currently we don't have. If you have any app, you can connect that. If you have Instagram account, see here it is connected already. Then if you have WhatsApp account, so from there you can add the page. See, if I'll click, it is giving me the three options, which says add an existing Facebook, request, or share. If someone is having client, suppose if you're working for someone else, if you're running ads for some other person for your client, so you can access the request from here. Or if you want to create a new Facebook page, so you can create that as well. Now here already the page has been added. So as you can see, the full control is with this person. Okay, now again, if you have some other page, okay, connected here, and if you want to give the access to this particular page from here, you can give that too. Now in this way you can create the ad account here itself. So this portion will be covered definitely in our upcoming videos. Now we have this data course. So these are some little advanced feature or setup to do, definitely will come, but for this time it will be very overwhelming for you guys. So now I hope you understand that how to use Meta Business Suite, right? So with the time, definitely you will be able to explore all these things. So again, see here also, if I click on business assets, whatever things I have added here will come here as my business assets. So currently I have already added 2 assets, so it is showing this as my assets. Here this is our business asset, right? Okay, I know this might feel like a lot, but don't worry, I will guide you through each step as we go forward. So by the end, you will be able to manage your Meta platforms like a pro. So I hope you all have understood that what is Meta Business Suite, and you also got to know the confusing terms in a very simple way. Then you also got to know that why to use Meta Business Suite, and you also learned that how to create a Meta Business Suite account, and at the end you got to know that how to use Meta Business Suite. So with this, thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy as a source of your knowledge. Until then, keep learning and stay curious.